Hey, welcome back, YouTubers. This is your boy, Tito YouTubero. Today in our kitchen, we're cooking up some baked beans with some nice hot dogs. It's gonna be for dinner tonight. I got a couple of corn cooking. And go our beans getting ready. Nice and hot. Got some white toasted bread with this. It'll be good for your tummy. So subscribe to my channel, Tito YouTubero in the kitchen. If you'd like to see more videos, me in the kitchen, give us a thumb up, subscribe to my channel, and let's get back in the kitchen. So first we start with the hot dogs. We're chopping them up, boil them a little bit, pre-cooked. And we start chopping them down. We got our baked beans right here. We setting it up. Getting this corn ready. It'll be in a few minutes. It'll be ready and done. We're trying to get this beans to get nice and warmed up. I love the taste of baked beans, man. It tastes real good, yo. I think I should put one more can. I don't know. Maybe should I leave it like this? Yeah, I love cooking in the kitchen. Make a lot of stuff, pasta, pizza, hot dogs, chili burgers, cornbread. I be baking stuff sometimes. Fresh pizza on the oven. Breakfast, sausage, bacon, egg and cheese, omelets, vegetable sandwiches, turkey sandwich, ham sandwich. Be in the kitchen. So, we getting our things together. Eat good, straight out. Eat fruits a lot. Keep yourself motivated to eat real fruits. Eat organic stuff. Keep yourself occupied, Eat the right thing for your body. So you guys like to see more cooking of me cooking in the kitchen? Stop by my YouTube channel. Subscribe, Show some love. Hope to see y'all next time. So peace out. Catch you in the kitchen. Bye-bye.